Advice to get you making money online. You no longer have to be employed in order to make money. In fact, people of all ages are looking online to earn extra income. There is no reason why you should be limited by the poor economy. All you need is a working internet connection and a device that allows you to connect online. Plus, you can easily benefit from the helpful advice below. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Create a daily schedule for yourself. Having an online income will be successful if you can do it on a regular basis. This isn't the quick way to making loads of money. You have to work hard daily. This will help you to get better at what you do. An hour each day could be a big difference. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Start your online earning today by following the great advice discussed in this video. Earning money is not as hard as it may seem, you just need to know how to get started. By choosing to put your right foot forward, you are heading off to a great start earning money to make ends meet. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.